Hello everyone, this is Veronica, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a small business haul and some happy mail. This package I purchased from Creative Mojo Studio. She's a new store on Instagram, and I purchased this because I love pastels, and this little kit was exactly what I needed. I need some pretty sequins, and there you see those jump rings, and here are some brads and some keychains, and then the pretty colors. I love these colors. I don't shop Ellie, so I need another source, and she was perfect. Most of these colors always get sold out really fast, and I'm never able to pick them up. And this is some of that beaded chain, and I love the colors. Again, here's like a hot pink. She did give me the names of each colors, but I don't have them with me right now. So we have some clear. Oh, this color is beautiful. Love it. I can't find this color anywhere, so yeah. And this one too, I love the glitter. So all this that I bought was a kit. I believe it's called Cotton Candy, and it's $35 plus shipping. And so you get so much sequins and also all those other things on the side. But yeah, I'm loving this. I can't wait to use it. And I did pick up another set from her that's due to come soon, and so I hope you guys like it. Next we have KG Crafts, Christina. She's also on Instagram. She is an established store, small business. I picked up this die. I like giving away dies and swaps and stuff, so I picked that one up to gift. And I also picked up some chipboard, and I love the Gather collection, and so I picked up some chipboard, and I picked up 3, and I still have yet to buy all the rest of the collection, so I'm getting started. And I also picked up some Flourish chipboard because Flourish is no longer available. Well, I can't find it, and so I picked up some chipboard, and so I'll be doing some printables as well as soon as I start using the Flourish. So that is it for my haul with Christina. Next, I have Peachy Cheap, and I believe they're considered small business. I'm not sure, but I'm including them here. And I picked up the, what is this called again? The Bouquet collection, I believe. Oh, Fresh Bouquet. So Fresh Bouquet by Crate Paper. And, the ephemera is kind of large and looks like just tags, but I could still use them for stuff. And I love that acetate butterfly, if you can see it through the packaging. And so I did pick up 2 kits, one to gift and the other is for myself, so I could possibly make some cards, or just do it as something, a gift or something, not sure. But here is some of the stickers, and also some, what are these called? Veneers, I believe. They're wood pieces, and I didn't know they were wood. Maybe I read it, I'm not sure, but I like them. I like them a lot. So I'm excited to play with that, and I like the color of it as well. And with your purchase, you get 5 sheets of cardstock, and they're double-sided, so I will be gifting 5 and keeping 5 for myself. So I'm in love with these colors. I do like more of the pinks. And so there's a polka dot pink that I love, and also a bow pink that's in there as well that I will show in a bit. I do like the flower right there, and I think I forgot to put that in this frame here, but you'll see it in the next frame when I clear everything out. I remember, hey, I forgot this sheet. And so here we are. This is the one coming up as soon as I can get. So I like this right here as well, so the extra sheet, and then I like the bows, so it's a yellow bow with pink. Next we have Happy Mail, and this is Happy Mail from Palm88. Palm, I believe that's her. I will link her below. I do know her first name, but she doesn't like to give it out, so I'm not going to tell you what her name is, but she's Pom Pom to me. Next I have Thank You Mail from Pink Crafty World. I entered her giveaway and she's just thanking me on sending an entry, and I appreciate it so much. Her name is Maria. I will have her linked below as well. And so she sent me a thank you card, and she also sent me some beading. And so I like them. Look at them. They're charms, and I like what she's done. And so there is her little note. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.